Good day, dear friends. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Today it's another day out in Orlando at the Grille and Wine Bar off Sands Lakes Road. Just another day out. Had the opportunity of doing this for the last few days. I had company in town, so it takes me off my regular routine. And I would call it time for celebration. So tonight, my friends, we're going to see what's on the menu. That's the menu. Very interesting and a large variety of menu items. For me tonight, I'll share with you in a little bit the wine I'm going to be having, which is the Siduri from Williamette, and the I am still trying to determine my entree. But thanks for coming along with me as I share tonight with you. So my friends, we're up to a good start. A good start. As I mentioned earlier, I'm doing the Siduri from Williamette. As usual, before I take a sip, you get the first sip. Cheers. And the menu tonight. We have reached a decision and the menu selection. As I showed you the menu earlier, tonight's choice is the Escargot, grilled octopus. For entree, the pappardelle bolognese, and the pan-seared Chilean sea bass. That's the choice for tonight. So, my friends, thanks for joining me as I take you through my meal tonight. cheers again to your health. Yummy. Just a few things. I lived approximately 50 minutes away from here, out in Haines City. It's outside of Orlando. Man, is it ever hard to find a very nice restaurant in that area? Getting here, you may as well say the meal better be darn good, because you have to really travel a long way for it. In my area, I call it out in the country, where Hardee's, Wendy's, McDonald's, Saxby, what are the ones I've seen out there? Nothing really dynamic. In order to have anything gourmet, you have to travel to downtown Orlando, and so this is where we are tonight. So that's pretty much it. Now, unlike Las Vegas, where you really find every turn you take on the strip, there's a choice at every casino or freestanding, you name it. They are gourmet restaurant. Here, you have to be in the hunt. And so, I am glad I could take you along with me tonight. So, my friends, here we are. The first course has arrived. This is my grilled octopus, Mediterranean style. Looks delicious. And it's a combination of both. A little bit of French. So, that's the escargot presentation. Not my style, but I'm glad to share. And as usual, before you get the first bite, you get the first bite. Here we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Very nice and tender. Perfectly acidic. And not too salty. Oftentimes, many of the other places that I've been, having a grilled octopus, you can literally just taste the salt. This one is absolutely perfectly seasoned. I couldn't have asked for a better choice. Absolutely delicious. Let's take one more bite. Yummy, yummy. Delicious. I can tell you right now, so far, it's worth the travel. So my friends, I just to share with you the result of my octopus. I have eaten octopus at many, many fine dining restaurants. This one is the best by far. And the escargot, like I said, that's not my thing. In Jamaica, I would say, I'm going to try the best I can to do a little bit of patois. But for the escargot, I would say, Adat yasit man, binan yummy, you know. Enough for me kind of food. My friends, I won't take the time to translate it for you. But suffice to say that escargot is not my thing. But my adjoining party love it. What can I say? The name of the executive chef, last name is Justice. And Chef Justice, excuse upon, did justice. Oh, by the way, so if you're ever in Orlando, the Vine Grill and Bar and Wine Bar is situated on 7533 Sands Lake Road in a little strip mall with other restaurants. I've seen there, Ruth Chris Steakhouse and a few other eateries. But this one is really really hit the mark. Really hit the mark. And as we speak, here comes the entree. Oh, this looks delicious. Thank you. Oh my.
Wow, that's beautiful.
My friends, beautiful presentation. That's my Chilean sea bass. That is served in a bed of rice. And this is the lamb chops. Very nicely presented. And so, my 50 minutes from Haines City was worth the trip. And as usual, before I take the first bite, you get the first bite. Still the camera for a little bit. So my friends, and by the way, for someone who's spent their life in food, there is nothing more appetizing to me than to see steam coming off my food, piping hot. You get the first bite. That is absolutely heavenly delicious. Yum, yum. So my friends, I'm telling you, Chef Justice outdid himself. Oh my. The double lamb chops with mashed potato and broccolini with a demi. That was out of this world. And as I've displayed earlier for you, my Pansier Chilean sea bass, which was served with shrimp risotto, asparagus, and the citrus Beurre Blanc. I'm telling you, Chef Justice did justice. It's the best meal I've had in a long time. And when you compare it to even places like any part of Las Vegas or anywhere in Las Vegas, whether it be the Apple Tower or you name it, places that we've been, this was really a superb meal. And it's highly recommended. I am. so happy for the trip we have taken to get here. It's worth every bit of it. And now, let's move on to dessert and see what's on the menu. Cheers while we continue. So my friends, we're at the finale. Dessert is never my thing, but today is a splurge day, celebration day. Oh, by the way, I didn't have the time to tell you why I'm celebrating. There are many days of celebration, but today is special. I'm only a few, I'm going to say about a week away from getting my, make it 2 weeks away from getting my second shot. Shot in the arm, that is. And I can't tell you how relieved I am. I'm a little bit stuffy right now. That has nothing to do with the C word. Instead, it might have been the one of the side effects of getting my body immune. But nevertheless, my friends, the finale is I'm having dessert. What's my dessert? Key lime. Key lime. But I'll be splitting. Heck, if I eat this alone. For me, one of the most important things that I look forward to. The last time I was in the gym was March 18, 2020. We're 2 weeks away from getting my second shot. I am telling you, I am one step closer to the weight bench, and I can't wait. Okay, so I'm gonna dig into my key lime pie. But before I take a bite, you get a first bite. And it's absolutely yummy. Oh man. So my friends, we've come to the close at the end of dinner. And I'm telling you, that was absolutely delicious. Like I mentioned before, Chef Justice did justice to every single meal and every bite. I couldn't have asked for a better experience. My friends, until next time, thanks for coming along with me. This is your Jamaican in the Move, saying one love. It's always a pleasure taking you with me. And thanks for watching. Now, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Very, very important. Love you, my friends. Peace.